goes a Dougie. We're going to make a little craft sign for fall out of this. This is one of the pieces of wood I retrieved, as I told you about in the last video. And it was already painted blue, so that's good. I just dusted it off a little bit because it had been in that basement downtown. And we might as well get started. We're going to be using one of our paint brushes and some orange paint and some cream color paint too. I don't have that sitting there. And our stencils. Are you ready? And if you can see, we have started. We have an S. That's pretty easy. We just used our brush and our paint. Stencil inside there. We have our next letter, and if you can see there, change the orange color slightly. We're going to be doing that all the way across. As you can see, we're just rolling right along here with our happy little letters. Can you tell what it's going to spell yet? Every now and then we're switching colors. Just kind of random. Now you know what it's going to spell. Pumpkin. We have to say something over here because we got more space. Pumpkin's all finished. I gave it a second coat. Just make sure it was dark enough against that dark blue. We still got to put our word over here, which will be in different lettering. And I found this piece on the porch, and I think I'm going to do something with that too. So I wanted to get that in here. I didn't want to miss it. This one we're going to have to freehand with our cream color paint. There's not a lot of space in there. And I'll just show you this, what I did so far. I think we're done with this. As you can see, I freehanded my letters in there with the cream color. And then I took a black marker and just low-lighted on there to help it stand out a little bit. I got a leaf stencil, and first I used black, again on the low-lighted areas, and then I went over with my green. And I used my marker again for the little vines. And I think it turned out pretty nice. Let's go over to this one where I used my leaf stencil again. And then I painted those little vines on there. And that has yet to be finished, but can you see what's going to stand next to the pumpkin? Okay, anyway, here's our sign. Fresh pumpkins. Fresh pumpkins. Oh, looky there. Did you guess correctly? It's not finished yet, but you might know what it is. More work to do. Oh, look, it's a ghost. And it's all finished. Painted him white, gave him a little eye. And then if you see close up there, we took a toothbrush and dipped it in our black paint and spattered it on there just to give the whole thing a little depth. We painted the outline in black so the pumpkin stands out. And this has been a twofer video, because we did our pumpkin sign and then we threw in this one. And that was all done in a couple of hours, if you count in the drying time. Pumpkin sign also got a coat of polyurethane, since it's going outside. And this one probably will too, just for the heck of it. Thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe for more. Share it with your friends. I need more subscribers. About 900. Actually, over 900. Yes, I need many more subscribers. Share it all over the place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.